Welcome to the Pediatrics Unit at Northern Light Eastern Maine Medical Center. I'm Dr. Jeremy Yardley. I'm a pediatric hospitalist at the medical center. We're going to take you on a tour today of the Pediatrics Unit so that when your daughter or son is hospitalized, they can feel more comfortable with the layout of the unit, and they can feel more comfortable with the staff and seeing where they would be. Outside of the unit, we have our lighthouse that children often play outside of the unit. It also lets you know that you've made it to the Pediatrics Unit, and it's an inviting landmark to bring you into the Pediatrics Unit. Conveniently next door, we also have pediatric sedation, should your child need that when they come to Eastern Maine Medical Center. And today, I'll take you on the tour of the unit and show you what the floor looks like and have you feel a little bit more comfortable with where your child would be hospitalized. As we enter the unit, you can see there's really bright carpeting, which really lifts the mood and spirit of patients and staff alike. We have rooms on the outside of the hallway here. And as we walk in further, you can see the welcome desk right here, which is where patients and families would first come as they come onto the unit. And behind the welcome desk is where the nurses and doctors tend to congregate throughout the course of the day. And at the end of the hall here, we have a room for little kids to play. You can see lots of toys for them to play with. There's also a teen room here. You can see with lots of games and air hockey and video games to help distract them. And across the hall here, we have a family room, which is really nice, with a kitchen and laundry for them to be able to do should they be here for longer periods of time. Really nice view of the river here too. And as you can see, as we walk along, there's artwork on all the windows and doors and walls. Really helps to brighten the mood of the patients here. And here we have the courtyard. It's a really nice place for patients and families to be. You can see it's really got a lot of natural light and beautiful murals on the wall. And at the back of the pediatrics unit is the pediatric intensive care unit, so it's a really nicely positioned and convenient place for that to be right next door. And as we move down the hall here, there's still rooms on the outside of the hallway. This is the back way into the pediatric intensive care unit. And as we turn and go back down this hall here, if we went all the way down this hall, this would bring you back to where we started out, to the lighthouse. That's our tour of the pediatrics unit. I hope now that you feel familiar with the space and that you and your children feel comfortable and welcomed while you're here at Northern Light Eastern Maine Medical Center.